We're going to talk about listening passages. On the state test at the end of the year, you're going to have at least one listening passage. So that's where you can only hear someone reading to you. I believe that all the passages are informational, so it might be about a person or about maybe an invention or something like that. If there are any fiction, if I find that out, I'll definitely let you know. But we're going to talk about how to do your very best on any listening passage. And this isn't just a skill you need for a test. This really is going to help your listening skills. So even listening skills when somebody else is talking to you, when you need to learn something, like at school, maybe a teacher is talking about it, or even just your friends telling you something. Practicing this is going to help you really be able to hear what somebody else is saying and gain something from it. All right, so the first thing that you need to do, even before you listen to it, is read the questions. Read and see, what are they asking me? You don't have to know any of the answers. You don't even have to read the answer choices. Just read the questions so you know what kind of things they're going to be asking you. Because otherwise, the whole time that you're listening, you're going to be wondering, is that important? Was that important? Do I need to remember that number? Something like that. So read the questions so you have an idea, what are they going to ask you about? That'll help you pick out some of the information you really need to know. Number 2, listen with intention. That word is intently. Listen intently. Listen with intention. That means your intention is, what are you planning on doing? What do you mean to do? What I mean to do is hear what they're telling me and learn something. So your intention is to gain something out of what you're hearing. So listen with intention. And then number 3, re-listen as many times as you need to. So if you get to the end and then you can't remember something at the beginning, you don't have to be frustrated. You're just going to re-listen to it. So if you get to a question and you're thinking, I don't know this at all, I don't remember, I think I know, but I'm not sure, go back and re-listen. As soon as you hear your answer, pause it, answer it, mark off anything that you know for sure is wrong, click the answer or color in the answer, circle it, whatever you're doing, whether it's on the computer or the paper, the answer you think it is, and then go on to the next question. More than likely, the questions a lot of times go in order. So question number 1 is going to be towards the beginning of the passage, where question number 7 might be towards the end of the passage. So if you pause after you find the answer and then go on to the next question, by the next time that you need to re-listen, you're not going to have to re-listen from the beginning, more than likely. You can push play and keep listening where you already had stopped. All right, so make sure on all of these, before you listen, you read the questions, you listen with intention, that means in order to learn, and then re-listen as many times as you need to.